Welcome guys to a new adventure. We are in Valencia right now and we're fishing with green flake fishing. We're gonna go for the strongest fish in the world. What do you think? Are we gonna catch one? Mm-hmm. I'm so excited. Let's go.
Welcome to Valencia. I'm Adrian Vidal of Green Flake Fishing, and today we are on one of my favorite spots on earth to fish giant bluefin tuna. We will have here 4 days with people coming from worldwide, and we will try to chase the fishes biggest as possible. And I hope here in Valencia in the period of June, with the migration of the giant bluefins, that we get really good videos for you from all the world to see that from home. We wait you in Valencia.
We have arrived at the fishing spot. There's many boats here, as you can see. That's because it's the season right now. You're allowed to take a fish, 2 fish per boat during these 4 days. Everyone wants to catch a bluefin tuna, of course. Fishing for bluefin tuna can be a tedious process. We're floating in what seems like the middle of the ocean, with no land in sight and nothing but deep blue water underneath us. We're literally trying to find a needle in a haystack. To increase our chances, the guide regularly throws in some smelly sardine parts known as chum to lure the fish to our bait. This rod is now on 155 meters deep. We have 3 rods out, 1 deep, 150 meters above, and 150 meters above that. So we have 150, 150 meters. And that's how we're fishing every layer of the water. So doesn't matter where the fish are, we will probably have our bait right in front of them. That's the plan, at least. We'll use a balloon as a bobber to get the line away from us. We're seeing fish on the sonar right now, though. There's fish around. So exciting. Look at this. It's a little bit hard to see, but Taming. That's the fish right there. So they're down here. It's a waiting game. Yeah, if you hook a big fish, you can be fighting for like 3-4 hours if you're unlucky. We have retrieved this line a little, so it's a little higher up. He thinks the fish we're seeing over there, that fish, this one, it's probably behind the fish right now, behind the bait fish. Hunting, trying to get it.
Para de tirar sardina, no tires más.
As I said, fishing for these big bluefin tunas is a waiting game. We fished for 4 days straight, and after such a long time on the water, it kinda messes with your head a little.
We looked at each other, and we said, okay. So we played the first thing that came to our heads. It just so happened to be the best song in the world. It was the best song in the world. Look into my eyes and it's easy to see 1 and 1 makes 2, 2 and 1.
But in the end, everything was worth it.
This out.
Ga jij deze binnen? Ga jij deze binnen?
Yes.
Alright guys!
Yes! Woo! Okay. Yeah. Okay. put this.
Click.
Tuna, aquí va la tuna.
Klik. Oké, maat. Daar gaan we dan.
Yes.
Woo!
Come on. I put more.
Alright dan.
Dit is chill. Dat heb ik nog nooit gedaan,
Remember? Okay. Important to distribute the line. Okay.
Ja. Dit is zo'n mooi systeem.
Ja.
Nice fish, zegt hij.
Yes, very nice. Very nice.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Ziekelijk dit. So crazy.
Subject.
Crazy. Zo.
You can help me?
Ja. Lekker maat.
Yes.
Jezus. Nu voel je echt hoe sterk ze zijn, joh. Het is zo ziek.
Imagine doing this for 3 hours.
Yeah. Woo! Possible. This is a big fish, dude.
This is huge.
This is the strongest fish we've ever had on a line.
Yes.
And you've already been pulling for like half an hour?
Yeah.
Crazy. He's got this super nice setup.
Yeah, you're pretty much doing all the work with your legs. And, oh fuck. Grab the rod. Now it's getting way heavier. Earlier the fish was going out on the open water, just straight to the surface. Now it's deep.
It's really pulling. How big do you think the fish is?
I think it's more than 150. I think maybe 170.
Close to 200
Not
kilos.
sure. I'm not sure, but
No.
it's big.
Big.
More. It's okay.
It's a fucking monster. He says 100 kilo tuna. In 15 minutes you fought it. Then it's done with this kind of setup. And we're already fighting for like 40 minutes. More now.
Close to an hour now.
Combat is perfect.
Yeah.
Last bit of the fight, man.
Yes.
Very close
It's
now.
getting very close. It's doing the famous death circles now. Slow. Ooh. He's playing with us. Sometimes moving to the other direction. We have to change the boat direction as well. Line going left, right. Oh. He's really trying to put the last bit of power he has to get away.
If you look very closely, you see a shade of blue somewhere. There. That's the tuna. Getting close, mate?
It's getting very close. Oh shit. Very close. There he is. Whoa!
Wow, gast.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh my god. It's a monster.
Okay, now I want. Subject.
What? Whoa! Oh my god.
Okay, I go to the leader.
No. No.
Wait. Subject, it's on the boat. Subject. Subject. Subject, eh?
Oh, turn. More. Yes. Yeah, it's here. It's good. What? Whoa, gast.
Put the daggers in the mouth. Close. And up. Yeah, up. Yeah, now you have.
Boys, this is insane. 200 kilo tuna probably. He's under the boat now. But this thing is absolutely huge. So crazy. Look at that thing.
Lift it up.
Fuck.
Lift it up.
Come on.
Lift it up.
So heavy, man.
Crazy.
I never actually thought I would catch a fish this big. 200 kilo.
Yeah, and
And we did it in our own continent, in Europe. We travel all around the world for big fish, but this one is just around the corner.
So man.
Wow.
So crazy. Primos, me copió algo?
Guys, this is insane. We just got it in the boat. Look how massive this thing is. Look how huge that thing is.
Woo! Here's your fish, my friend.
Crazy. It's a true monster. Wow.
Monster tuna.
Monster tuna. We cannot lift it, it's too heavy. We wanted to put it on our lap, but it's just too big. What a fish, what a fight, what a day. Ah. It's so cool, they can move all these fins independently. It's very, very cool. And what I didn't know, this is what Felix just showed me. This fin, for aerodynamics, it's like a slit inside its back, so it literally folds away, and now there's nothing. Same as for this. Now it's very big and then it folds in like this. Wow. And that's it. A big childhood dream came true. Daniel and I caught the biggest bluefin tuna of our lives. I might never get close to the size of this fish again, but I will remember this day for the rest of my life. Hold up, the video has not ended yet, because Green Flake Fishing invited me to come fish again, and this time I can bring a few of you with me. So wait till the end of the video for dates and prices. Yes, super exciting news, because Green Flake Fishing has invited me to come again and hunt for the big bluefin tunas. This time I can bring a few guys of you with me. The package includes 7 nights of housing and 6 full days of fishing. All tackle, rods, reels, lures, everything included. The price will be 2,290 euros, but spots are very limited. I can only bring 14 people in total. So if bluefin tuna was always a big dream of yours and you want to catch probably the biggest fish of your life, send me a message on Instagram or Facebook and we're gonna make it happen.
Whip crack with the swampy tail, and it bees was done. Yes,
Be your angels?
and we said nay. We are but men. Rock.